Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we have another Guess What's in the Box video. It is quite a large box. It's in the range of, from what the tracking stated, was about almost 30 pounds. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today this is just going to be another Guess What's in the Box video. We will also be opening the box and checking out what's in it. It is quite heavy. I'll give you a hint. This box is from Capri Tools. Today is Monday, December 21st, 2020. I ordered this about 3-4 days ago. It was like Thursday or Friday when I ordered this. So this box is actually quite large. We're gonna measure it. This box is 18 inches wide. It is 14 7/8 of an inch wide. Sorry. So it's 14 7/8 inches wide. It is 18 inches long, and it is 12.5 inches tall or deep. What do you guys think is in this box? There should be some bonus items I got for free in this box. I ordered 3 sets of tools and ended up getting several items for free. I got like $200 and something worth of stuff for free, and then I got a hat, and there should be a mystery box in here as well. But just a quick video. I don't want to make the video too long. You can see it is quite tall. It is not marked with Capri Tools or anything on it. It's in actually great condition. It was just dropped off about 2-3 minutes ago, right before I started the video. It is quite heavy. We will open it in the next video. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, watching the videos, and playing along with these little Guess What's in the Box videos. I will provide an Ulsa Tool sticker as well as a Wrench Trench Garage sticker to whoever gets either dead on or as close as possible to what they think is in the box. We'll be talking about these tools more in depth, and I'll give you guys my thoughts and opinions down the road on them as always. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And the very last but definitely not least, top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link for Ulsa Tools. If you guys click on that link, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Might help you guys out if you're trying to get some stuff for Christmas. And also, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a awesome Happy New Year. And we'll see you guys next year, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!